All right, nerds, it's time to face the ultimate boss battle, fitness challenges. These are the enemies that stand between you and your fitness goals. But don't worry, we're going to defeat them together, one by one. Grab your potions, water bottles, and let's get ready to fight. Here's the thing, fitness challenges are just like boss battles in games. They seem impossible at first, but with the right strategy, you can take them down. And just like in games, every time you defeat a boss, you level up. Let's break down the top fitness bosses and how to beat them. First up, procrastination. This boss loves to whisper things like, "I'll work out tomorrow," or "just one more episode." Sound familiar? To defeat procrastination, you need to equip the right weapon, the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself you'll work out for just 5 minutes. Once you start, you'll usually keep going. It's like tricking your brain into starting the quest. With timer visible nearby, boom, procrastination defeated. On to the next boss. Next, we've got lack of motivation. This boss is sneaky. It makes you feel like working out isn't worth it. But don't worry, we've got a cheat code for this one. Start by setting small, achievable goals. For example, I'll do 10 squats today, or I'll walk for 10 minutes. Every time you hit a goal, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment, and that's super motivating. Think of it as earning XP for your real-life character. Motivation restored. Time constraints. This boss loves to tell you you're too busy to work out. But here's the thing, even the busiest nerds can find time for fitness. In a work environment, try micro-workouts, 5 to 10 minutes of exercise during your breaks. Do squats while your game is loading, or stretch during a Zoom call. Every little bit adds up. Time constraints defeated. Let's keep going. This one's a biggie. Gym intimidation. Walking into a gym can feel like entering a high-level dungeon without the right gear. But don't worry, I've got your back. First, remember that everyone starts somewhere. Most people at the gym are focused on their own workouts, not judging you. Second, start with a plan. Know what exercises you're going to do before you walk in. And if the gym still feels too intimidating, start with home workouts. Build your confidence, then level up to the gym when you're ready. Gym intimidation defeated. On to the final boss. Finally, we've got the ultimate boss, consistency. This one's tough because it's not about a single battle. It's about showing up every day. The key to beating consistency is building habits. Start small. Commit to just 2 or 3 workouts a week. Over time, it'll become part of your routine. And don't forget to reward yourself for sticking with it. Treat it like a game. Every week you stay consistent, you earn a reward. Congratulations, nerds! You've defeated the top fitness bosses and leveled up your health. Remember, every challenge is just another quest to conquer. All right, nerds, that's it for today's quest. If you level up your knowledge or had a laugh, smash that like button like it's a final boss. And don't forget to hit subscribe, because every time you do, a gamer hits a new personal best. Oh, and drop a comment below. What's your ultimate fitness power-up? Let's build the most epic community of nerds getting fit together. See you in the next adventure. Stay strong, stay nerdy.